today's episode, we're diving into the world of modern small house design with a twist of tropical flair. As housing trends shift toward compact, eco-friendly spaces, small homes are no longer just about maximizing space. They're about crafting a lifestyle that combines modern living with natural serenity. Today, we'll explore a home that exemplifies this beautifully, featuring a cozy yet open design, minimalist interiors, and an enchanting tropical garden. This house proves that you don't need a sprawling mansion to live big. It's all about smart choices, creativity, and an embrace of nature. So, let's step into this world of compact modern luxury together. This house might be compact, but its exterior design is anything but ordinary. With sleek lines, a balanced use of materials like concrete and wood, and large glass panels, this small home brings a refreshing aesthetic to the neighborhood. The lush tropical garden wraps around the home, blending the modern architecture with vibrant greenery. Carefully chosen plants and trees create a private, tranquil ambience, while the open patio area extends the living space seamlessly. From the moment you step in, the house presents a harmonious blend of urban style and natural beauty, setting the stage for what's inside. As you step inside, you're greeted by a minimalist entryway that leads straight to a cozy living room. This space is designed to be welcoming and functional, with multi-purpose furniture that fits the small house aesthetic. The living room opens up to large windows that not only make the room feel more expansive, but also frame views of the tropical garden. Natural light floods in, highlighting the subtle textures and earthy tones that give this room its unique charm. Despite its compact size, this living area feels open, warm, and perfectly suited for relaxation. Moving into the kitchen, we find an efficient yet stylish space that maximizes every inch available. The kitchen's open layout and minimalistic cabinetry keep the area clutter-free and airy. Smart storage solutions like hidden cabinets and fold-out countertops allow for plenty of space to prepare meals. Adjacent to the kitchen is a charming dining nook that also faces the garden, allowing for a peaceful dining experience. With the earthy color palette and natural light flowing through, the kitchen and dining area strike a perfect balance between functionality and aesthetic appeal. bedroom, though compact, is a true sanctuary. Designed with simplicity in mind, it uses natural materials like bamboo and cotton to create a warm, relaxing atmosphere. The bed is low and minimalist, surrounded by a few carefully chosen decorative elements to avoid clutter. A large window looks out to the lush garden, allowing morning sunlight to seep in gently. This design makes the room feel connected to nature, creating a calming space that feels much larger than it actually is. The bedroom showcases how minimalism can make a small space feel luxurious. The bathroom in this small house is another delightful surprise. Though limited in space, it's cleverly designed with a glass shower wall that faces an outdoor green space, providing a semi-outdoor shower experience without compromising privacy. The use of natural stones and wooden accents enhances the tropical vibe, and clever storage solutions ensure there's room for essentials without overcrowding. The bathroom's design makes it feel like a private spa, proving that even small bathrooms can be both functional and visually captivating. One of the home's standout features is its outdoor patio, which serves as an extension of the living space. This cozy area is furnished with comfortable seating, ideal for relaxing or entertaining guests. The tropical garden surrounds the patio, creating a sense of intimacy with nature. With native plants and a small water feature, this garden not only enhances the home's aesthetic but also helps cool the surrounding air, making it a perfect tropical retreat. It's a brilliant example of how a small outdoor space can become a lush, personal oasis. This small modern house embraces eco-friendly principles throughout its design. From energy-efficient lighting to passive cooling through large windows and natural ventilation, this house minimizes its environmental impact. The tropical garden also plays a role in sustainability by providing shade and regulating temperature. Additionally, rainwater is collected and used for the garden, reducing water waste. These elements showcase how eco-conscious design can be beautifully integrated into modern homes, creating a living environment that's both stylish and sustainable. In a small home, every piece of furniture counts, and this one is no exception. From foldable dining tables to convertible sofas, multifunctional furniture enhances both functionality and aesthetics. These pieces are strategically chosen to keep the space flexible, adapting easily to different needs throughout the day. Built-in shelving, hidden storage compartments, and minimalist decor contribute to a clean, clutter-free environment. This approach not only makes the house feel spacious, but also ensures that every square foot is used thoughtfully and efficiently. And that brings us to the end of our tour of this stunning modern small house with tropical garden vibes. This home beautifully captures the essence of minimalist, eco-friendly living without sacrificing style or comfort. By embracing compact spaces and blending them with nature, this house shows us that you don't need a large footprint to make a big impact. Whether you're dreaming of downsizing or just looking for some design inspiration, we hope this tour has sparked some fresh ideas. Thanks for watching Gubbock Design, and don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring home design content. See you in the next video.